Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so the update runs uninterrupted. First, make a fresh backup with Time Machine or iCloud. Once done, verify you have 20-30 GB free. Next, plug your Mac into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network, preferably 5 GHz. Then open System Settings and go to Software Update. The Mac will check for available versions. If an update appears, click Update Now or Upgrade Now, and briefly monitor download progress on the Software Update pane. Once the download starts, you should watch progress and avoid heavy network use. If speeds lag, open Activity Monitor to check bandwidth. When the download completes, choose Install Now or Schedule for a convenient time. Remember that installing will quit open apps and may take 30-60 minutes depending on your Mac. During installation, your screen will show progress bars and multiple restarts. Make sure not to force shut the Mac. Finally, after a restart, log in and let Mac OS finish configuration steps automatically. After installation, you should confirm the update applied by opening System Settings and checking Software Update. Also sign into iCloud if prompted. Next, update apps via the App Store and run any third-party app updaters so extensions match the OS. If the Mac fails to boot or the installer errors, reboot into safe mode and retry the installer. If that fails, use Mac OS Recovery to reinstall or restore from your Time Machine backup. One key tip: keep your backup until the system is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.